It indicates the oxygen sensor bank 2 sensor 1 fails to meet the minimum and maximum voltage limits calibrated for the engine control module to see. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, paste the exhaust leaks. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. If you have a leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, do not start the engine, because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means, you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up, and make it cure faster. Method B, wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on it. Like this one, the seam will often rot a leak. First, get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then, remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. Method C, the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor.